Okay, everybody, this is your week 3. Well, it's week 3 and 4 for science, at least, instructional video. I'll probably still post another instructional video next week. But um, basically, what we're doing for science now is we're going to do one folder for 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, you're going to get a new folder, and you've got 2 weeks worth of work in the same folder. It's the same way we would have done it in school, so we figured why not do it here. So for week 3, first thing, as always, is your check-in thing. So this is your schedule with all the stuff. You're going to see you've got something due like every other day, and then you've got the weekend in between. So you can take a closer look at. Here's your week 3 for check-in. So this one has nothing to do with how everything's going. Hopefully everything is going well, and you can still certainly tell me about that. But you guys, the weather is getting so nice, and you need to get off of your computer, off of your screens, off of your phones, and you need to go outside. I mean, technically, I guess you go outside and be on your phone, but just go outside and tell me something you're going to do outside, or go outside, do something, and then tell me about it. Okay. Now, this is the only part you're not going to see until Wednesday. But this is the video where I go through and I review the test for you and explain each of the questions for you. I won't publish this until Wednesday because you technically still have till Tuesday at midnight to take the test. And the other kids on the other teams are still taking it, so I won't publish that till Wednesday. The same time, I will release your explanation of what you got right or wrong on your test. Okay. Um, so basically, our topics are cycles of matter and energy. That's our next unit. So we broke it down rather than doing one big reading activity like we did with symbiosis and then one big test. We broke it into 4 smaller topics, and I think that's how we're going to do it from now on. But your first topic is trophic energy pyramids. And when you open this assignment, you're going to see a lot of stuff. So I want to explain it. This is going to apply to each assignment. Okay. So the instructions say answer the questions on the active reading by reading the information. In some cases, there may be extra links to click on, video instructions, which will help you understand the information. Once you've answered the questions, submit your copy. So right here is the active reading sheet that you're going to make a copy of. There's vocab words you can use to help you. So there's a vocab list for Quizlet. You don't have to look at the Quizlet. It's just there if you need it. And then I posted 3 videos. Okay. Not every assignment has 3 videos, but this one happens to have 3 videos. These are actually me going through some of the information, these 3. Again, not all of them are, but this is me teaching you about each of these things. So you can watch the videos if you want. If you understand it just by reading, then just read. The only thing you're required to do is read the information and answer the questions. Okay? Let me look at my copy here a second. The first section, I believe, has 3 questions. Yes, there's 3 questions, but there's also some links to click on. So just make sure you click on each of the links and answer those 3 questions. Okay? You're going to submit that. Then you are going to take the quiz. It's a 5-question quiz. It is open notes, so use your notes to help you take it. The quiz focuses on the energy pyramid. So just make sure that you really look at the section in the reading on the energy pyramid and maybe watch the video I made about energy pyramids, because I think between the reading and my video, I answer every single one of these quiz questions. So just make sure you watch it. When you're done with the energy pyramid, you're going to do the same thing for water cycle. So here's water cycle assignment, water cycle assessment, nitrogen cycle assignment and assessment, and carbon cycle assignment assessment. Okay. You can see all the due dates here. They're due like every other day. So we didn't make anything due, well, except your check-in. Nothing is actually due till Friday, because technically you still have Tuesday to take your test from last week. So that gives you Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to get this done. Then you've got Friday, Monday, Tuesday to get this done, etc. We'll try to give you 2 to 3 days for each one. This one does carry over into the carbon cycle right here does carry over into week 5. So the first day of week 5 will kind of wrap everything up. As always, I put some extension stuff in here. I might add more to this later on. Um, they're just extensions if you're interested in the topic and you want to learn more. And then I did put some Earth Day stuff in here. Again, I'm adding a lot more to this today and tomorrow. But Earth Day is the 22nd. And if you want to do some fun Earth Day stuff, I think that the school district is going to put out like a challenge for you guys. I actually made the challenge and they're going to put it out as a district. But if they don't do a challenge, then we will do a fun challenge and there will be a prize. But I'll get more into that next week. Okay. I want to see what the district is going to do first and then decide. But just so you know, there'll be some Earth Day activities in there. And some of those Earth Day activities are some of the same ones I'm going to do with my son. So they're appropriate for like elementary school. So if you have younger siblings or something, could be something you do together. All right. So that's weeks 3 and 4. Hopefully, you guys are doing well and that, finding things to do. I am going to also today do a Flipgrid for book recommendations because Mrs. Vedesso is out of things to read. Well, not really, but I just need some more recommendations. So look for that. If you guys have any good book recommendations for me to read, I would really, really appreciate it. All right. So I will talk to you guys soon. As always, message me on Schoology if you have any questions or whatever. You want to go on Flipgrid and send me a little video chat or whatever. You just let me know and we'll figure it out. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.